Hey guys, it's Sean, the garage designer here from the design department at Obsessed Garage, and today let's talk about the Lutron systems in residential and commercial construction and which ones we use and why we use them. If you're using Lutron in your home or you're looking to use Lutron in a commercial space or anything, some of the main systems you're going to hear about are Caseta, Raw To Select, Raw 3, or Homeworks in the residential applications, and then some of the commercial applications you're going to hear about Vive or Athena or Quantum systems, which are basically just larger enterprise systems. The first system in the residential application is Caseta, and Caseta is basically your budget, like low-end, low-capability system that still supports a lot of great features, such as light control, fan control. You can even control music with it, and you can use this all in the Lutron app, and it's a great system for a great price. Capabilities of that system are up to 75 devices or 2,500 square feet. Now, you can upgrade that system with one range extender and expand that up to 5,000 square feet, but if you have a home that's going to be bigger than that, you're going to need to upgrade to one of the more significant systems. A more robust system from Lutron is the Raw To Select system that uses the same general hardware as Caseta, but it can support up to 100 devices and it can support more than 5,000 square feet of coverage area. So it also uses the same Lutron app that Caseta uses, and it can also support 0 to 10 volt dimming with lighting control, which, as you may know if you've been in contact with our design department, that's what we love to use for all of our light control in the garage and in the home. The next step up from Lutron Raw To Select is Radio Raw 2, or now what is known as Radio Raw 3, which is just the successor to Raw 2. This can support up to 200 devices or 7,500 square feet. It also supports some cooler, architecturally designed light switches that use stainless steel or matte black finishes, but it also uses the Lutron Connect app instead of the standard Lutron app. And it needs to be installed by a certified Lutron installer to be used. It cannot be done by yourselves. The most robust system that you're going to see for residential applications from Lutron is the Homework system. So Homeworks can support up to 10,000 zones, with a zone being a row of lights controlled by one switch, and you can also cover up to 50,000 square feet. Now, it's important to note that Homeworks also uses the same Lutron Connect app used by Radio Raw 2 and Radio Raw 3, and it has to be installed by a certified Lutron installer. Let's talk about one of the commercial systems that Lutron offers, which is Lutron Vive, and that's significant because that's one of the systems we use in the design department here at Obsessed Garage. So the Vive system can support up to 700 devices within 71 feet of a Vive hub, and then each Pico needs to be within 30 feet of its POW pack that it will be connecting with. And Vive is a really great system because it only is used for lighting control. It doesn't support any fan control or audio or anything else. So it's really perfect if you're just trying to control your lights in your home or garage or small office. There are other systems that Lutron offers, but these are typically aimed at commercial applications, and we don't offer them here at Obsessed Garage, those systems being Athena and the enterprise systems. These are great systems, just used for much more significant projects than what we're looking at. In the design department here at Obsessed Garage, the systems that we typically focus on are the Raw To Select system and the Vive system, and we really like those systems because they can be done by yourself. You don't need a certified Lutron installer or electrician or anything like that. The more basic system that we offer is based on the Vive architecture, and it just uses Picos and POW packs, and that's it. It doesn't have any app control. It's just dimming and dimming modules. The more upgraded system that we offer is Raw To Select. Now that system uses the same Picos and POW packs, but it uses a main repeater and a bridge to allow you to use the Lutron app to control those devices. And it also supports different aspects of the home like fans and Sonos speaker control and other things like that. It's important to note that if a client does have Radio Raw 2 or Radio Raw 3 in their home, we can get the accessories to support dimming for our lights that we're going to be using for that customer. So thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other design-related videos on the OG Shorts channel, and also make sure to reach out to Design at Obsessed Garage if you have any questions or if you want to get started with one of these great Lutron systems in your home or garage.